My name is Hannah, and I'm gonna give you a tour of my New York City apartment. This is the kitchen. This is my favorite part of the house. I spend most of my time in the kitchen. It's an all-white kitchen. It has white marble countertops, and it makes the apartment feel a lot nicer than it actually is. I live in a really old building, but I am really lucky. They fully renovated the entire kitchen. The biggest thing for me when looking for an apartment was the kitchen. I love to cook. I cook basically every single meal I eat, so having a really nice kitchen was very important for me. I needed a kitchen that had a lot of cabinet space because I have a lot of kitchen supplies. My mom, growing up, had every single kitchen appliance you could possibly want, so that kind of rubbed off on me. Starting over here, this is kind of like the pantry. This is where I keep my breakfast foods and things like that. I put everything in organizers because I'm scared of mice, so I think that protects all of my food. And then this drawer is all of my silverware. I have an obsession with paper straws, so that's my collection. Onto the stove. This is my tea kettle. I got it from Crate & Barrel. I drink tea every single day, at least twice a day, so having this is really nice. And then over in this corner, we have my knives. My mom sent me this knife holder thing, and it was a bitch to put up. It fell probably 10 times. Then we have my Nespresso. This is great, very easy. This is my sink. It's such a deep sink. Again, it's fully renovated, so it's really, really nice to have. In this cabinet, I have all of my dried goods. I put everything in mason jars, again, because I have a fear of animals. I think that helps. In an older building, you might have mice, so put everything in mason jars. This is a dishwasher. It's almost unheard of in an older building to have a dishwasher. I'm lucky enough to have one. Over here is the refrigerator. Most rentals come with a fridge, but I was lucky enough to get a really nice one. And above the fridge is just storage space. From the kitchen, we move into the living room area. I decided super last minute that I didn't want to put a couch here. I wanted to put a massive dining room table instead. This really works for me because I don't like sitting on a couch and watching TV. I'd much rather have a functional space. This table is where I also spend the majority of my time. I eat from here, have friends over for dinner, and I even work from here as well. I got this table from Urban Outfitters. I got the candles from Anthropologie, and the vase is from CB2. Normally it has flowers, but I forgot. I'm not really sure where I got these chairs from, but I think I just got them off of Google, and they match the whole white theme, so. When I first moved in, the apartment was really dull and didn't really feel like a home, so I decided to change out the light fixture to this basket weave material thing. I don't know, it's from IKEA. I installed it myself. It was really hard, but I just Googled it. This rug is from Urban Outfitters. It is a 7x9 rug, so it covers the entire apartment. I picked this rug because it's honestly one of the only rugs that fit this space. It was really hard to find a 7x9 rug that looked good and also complemented the space. This is my bar cart. It is from West Elm, I believe. I don't really drink, but my friends do, and it fit the space, so. This is also where I keep my cookbooks, which are my pride and joy. I also keep a coffee press here because some people don't like Nespresso. I went on Pinterest to fill up this bar cart because I had no idea how I wanted it to look, so I just Googled bar cart images and just replicated that exactly. Right off of the living room is the bathroom. I feel like for New York City, this is actually a really big bathroom. Again, just like the kitchen, they renovated the entire bathroom. It's the same white tile as the kitchen backsplash. The bathroom didn't come with any shelving or this either. I got all of this from IKEA and installed it myself. I got my black towels from Target and all of the little organizing things from the Container Store. I keep my travel bag out at all times because I love to travel. I have it fully stocked with all of my favorite things in mini travel size. This basket on the floor has all of my hair stuff and it's a mess. Over here I keep my perfumes and toothbrush and things like that. And in here is just all of my skincare and hair stuff. And from the main part of the apartment, is the bedroom. As soon as you walk into the bedroom, you see my closet. None of the shelving was in here. It didn't even come with a closet rod. It was just empty when I moved in. So I went to Home Depot and I bought this closet divider shelving unit thing. And it was really hard to put up. I still don't think it's secure. It's probably gonna fall one day, but I'm a very organized person, so I have my closet sectioned off by article of clothing. Over here, I have all of my workout tops and all of the tops that I wear daily. And then down here, I have all of my workout leggings. Over here, I have all of my summer tops, t-shirts, and then back here are long sleeve shirts. Down here, it goes from shorts to skirts to jeans to pants to rompers and dresses. I have a lot of clothes, I don't know. When you walk into the bedroom, the first thing you see is this massive 7-foot mirror from Anthropologie. I wanted to add depth to the room and I wanted to make it feel bigger than it actually is. My apartment is south facing and that means there's tons of natural light flooding in all day. Then this is my bed. This bed frame is actually from Amazon. I wanted something to get here really fast, so I did that. I got all of my bedding from West Elm and this from Anthropologie. The side tables are from IKEA, they're pretty basic. This is the TV. There was no room to put this on a TV stand or anything, so I had to actually mount it to the wall myself. Sometimes I do workouts in the bedroom, so it's on a mount that actually swivels, so I can see the TV from the floor when I'm working out. Leaving the bedroom, we get to this room. I'm not really sure what this is for. I still have yet to figure out what I'm even gonna put in this room. This apartment was actually 2 studio units combined into one. This room I feel like should have been part of the bedroom, but for some weird reason, they just put up a wall. I'm not really sure what to do in here, so for now, it's just storage. And that's the tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you liked most, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.